This man wants to sell Albert Einstein's handwritten math.
So how much do you want for this?
I'm asking 18,000.
It's a piece of paper with mathematical calculations handwritten by the famous physicist Albert Einstein. The customer mentions that he did some research and found out it's a very rare item. Rick comments that Einstein was one of the greatest scientists in history and that his theory of relativity revolutionized the field of physics. He then proceeds to examine the piece of paper and recognizes some old mathematical formulas. However, he isn't sure whether it was truly written by the famous physicist, so he decides to call in an expert to find out.
Math calculations by Einstein, these things could go for upwards of $50,000.
So, is it written by Einstein?
The expert begins by examining the ink to determine whether it matches the type of pens used during that time. Then, he compares the handwriting letter by letter with other authentic documents by Einstein. Finally, he reaches the following conclusion.
I'm familiar with this type of piece, so I have no problem with it. It's definitely authentic.
With that said, Rick asks the following question.
Big question, what's it worth?
You know, it's pretty rare. I put this value.
Comment if you want part 2.